Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the mixer and sources so signals arrive cleanly. First, attach the power cable and switch the mixer off until connections are ready. This prevents pops. Next, inspect each cable and connector type: XLR for mics, TRS for balanced lines, RCA for consumer gear, so you plug into the right jacks. Once ready, set channel gain knobs, faders, and EQ to neutral or unity. Doing this now gives you headroom and predictable levels when you bring sources online. Now connect inputs and build routing logically so signals flow where you expect. Plug microphones into preamp XLRs and enable 48V only for condensers. Avoid phantom on ribbons. Route each channel to the intended bus or aux send and label them. This saves confusing patch changes later. Use the channel gain while monitoring the mixer's meters. Aim for peaks around -6 dB. Engage pads if peaks clip. Apply a gentle high-pass filter for low-frequency cleanup. And bus routing will finish by configuring outputs and confirming what the audience or recording device hears. Connect main outputs to your PA or interface, set monitor and headphone levels, and create a headphone mix if needed. Perform a full sound check. Have performers play at performance level while you tweak channel EQ, compression, and bus sends to taste. Once balanced, lock faders or document settings. If you encounter no sound, first recheck power, cable continuity, input gain, and routing assignments. Those four resolve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.